Hey everyone, it's Rukan here, Copter Chronicles. We've just hit 1,000 subscribers as of today. It took a lot of effort, to get to this point. 8.5 months I was on from 0 to 285 subscribers, and watch out for my other video because I have not had the chance to upload that particular video, and that was a video I created at 500 subscribers, but 2.5 days later we're up to 1,000, and I have to thank everybody for being a subscriber and liking and commenting on our videos. I'm speechless, I don't know what to say, but from the bottom of my heart, thank you for the importance of doing what I do and I love doing, which is to take my drone up, start flying and hopefully capture some great imagery. Make sure to subscribe, obviously hit the like and make a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are. So when did I exactly hit the 1,000 subscriber number? Well, according to my screenshot, I don't know if I can actually show it to you, it's about 12:24 past midnight. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. I thought about how long it would take me to get there, and I had no idea, because people who do similar stuff to what I do, or anything remotely, I mean, maybe not like what I do, because a lot of the videos I take with my drones, I always like to leave comments on it and almost paint a narrative about the place, its location. Someone who likes architecture and art and antiques, I have a feeling that there's something in them that kind of defines who you are, where you come from. But it tells you about the past of the world, and I think we should appreciate certain things, especially architecture, because we take everything around us for granted, and we should really just enjoy and hopefully to preserve what we have. Please watch out for my other video, which will probably be a lot longer than this, and it's all about hitting the 500 subscriber milestone for me. So the next steps is to go for 10,000. Can you guys help me? Let's see if we can hit that milestone and promote our towns and cities and everything that they have. We want more people to visit, whether it's local people, national people. We want people to be moving around, helping and supporting the local economy, the shops. Please anticipate my 500 subscriber video. I'm sorry, it's going to be after this video. So the journey begins towards 10,000. If you are a small YouTube channel, please keep at it, and you never know when things are going to change for you. However, stay positive, and I would say just keep at it, keep plugging away, and you will get a break. And you're only one video away, one single video away from going viral or getting several thousand, 10,000 plus views. I'm so far away from being monetized, and I have no intention at the moment, because I'm nowhere near 4,000 hours views, but it allows me to understand a lot more about YouTube and how it works. And I honestly would say to you, I am completely a beginner. The only thing I can say to you is to keep at it, keep plugging away, do what you do, love doing best. I'm completely new to this, so I've had a long day, so I'm squinting a great deal. Usually that happens to me when I've had a long day. I was hoping to stay behind the scenes and just fly the drones and get the shots, make it look good, and hopefully people enjoy what I do. And the best way to support our channel is to come down, visit these places, and support your local economy. And be brave and make that move. Go and attend these places, pay their door fee or whatever it might be. The National Trust, go and see their homes that they have. They take care of what else are the English heritage. Go and visit these places in the UK, and obviously watch out for my future videos, because I'm gonna keep myself tight-lipped, but to say that there are videos that are coming up, and we're going international. We're definitely going international. So please, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, and hopefully we'll be seeing you in the next video.